Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. So finally, the recruitment of circle-based officer from State Bank of India has been released. So it is a good news for all the banking aspirants. So today we are previously almost 10 to 15 days back I had posted a video regarding the circle-based officer where the notification will be released. And today the notification has been released. So since I had taken the information from the credible sources today. As a result, the notification has been released from SBI. So today, let us see the details of it. So online registration from 9/12 from tomorrow to 29. So 20 days of time will be present, and order of call letter 12th January, and also the online test will be in January. So everything has been decided. So it is not like other examinations. So it is not like other examinations. The examinations will be conducted as per the dates itself. So the examination will be in January. And one more thing point is that the selected candidates will be posted in the applied circle or states only. So it is not all India job. So if you have given your particular state, for example, Uttar Pradesh, then you will be placed in Uttar Pradesh itself. So now let us look into the details of the vacancies and all. So eligible candidates will have online written examination, screening and interview. There are the three stages where the examinations will be held. So regular vacancies, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So you can see the number of vacancies. So in Gujarat 300, in Bengaluru 250, and Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Chennai, Jaipur. So everything has been mentioned here. Backlog vacancies are also mentioned. So now let us look into the other details now. The candidates will have to apply the vacancy for one state only. There is no multiple state allowed for this. And candidates working in SBI are not eligible. Who are resigned from officer grade in SBI will not be eligible. So for this, the thing is candidate will have to apply for, yeah, this has been selected. Selected candidates will be posted in the circle against whose vacancies they have been selected. So as I said, it was the same essential for everything. On the OBC non-creamy layer certificate, should submit OBC creamy certificate to format prescribed by Government of India having non-clay clause issued during period 1/4/2021 to the date of interview. So 1/4/2021, this should be the date during period of 1/4/2021. So it should be, so please remember this can be a problem for everyone because the clause issued during period 1/4/2021 to the date of interview if called for interview. And the next eligibility criteria: graduate in any discipline from a recognized university. The date of passing eligibility examination will be the date appearing on the mark sheet. So this should be compulsory. And the age limit is not below 21 years and not above 30 years. So 21 to 30 itself. So SCFIS, and then the age relaxation will be provided. And experience. So minimum of 2 years of experience is required in any of the banking sector. So this is the only requirement here. So if you have experience, like this is for working candidates, if you have any working experience working as a scheduled commercial bank or any RRB as listed in the second schedule of RBI, then you are eligible. So local language should be known. So if you are from Karnataka, then you need to know Kannada, and other states need to know other local languages. So these are the type, and the disabilities, everything has been given. So online test, objective test, English, banking knowledge, general awareness, economy, and computer aptitude. So 120 marks, 120 minutes, 2 hours. So descriptive test will also be given, where the different merit list will be taken. And penalty marks, no penalty marks, there is no penalty marks, please remember this. And the screening and interview will be done. So final selection will be done after this. So examination centers, the examination will be conducted online venues across many centers in the city. A tentative list of centers is provided down. So emoluments, you can see the basic is 36,000, which is very good. So after this you will get many such perks and all. So if you get this job, then it's a beautiful job. And the fees is for general EWS OBC is 750 rupees, and for others it is no payment. So for general EWS OBC 750, and everything has been here. I will present here. I will attach this PDF with in the description box. You can watch it clearly. So let us see the examination centers. So there are several examination centers where you can write the exam. So this is a golden opportunity for you all guys. So if you are eligible, please never do allow this to go off, because recently most of the exams are not conducting their exams properly. So but SBI is conducting their exams, and also the online test date is also has been provided. So if you have this opportunity, and if you have the eligibility, so please apply for it and you can crack this exam. That's all for today, guys. So if you need any clarifications or doubts, and if you need any materials for this examination, so you can comment in the comment section. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.